Hello guys, once again welcome back to Kusum Aito, and I am back with my new video of Krishna Avatar. In my last video I discussed of Ram Avatar, and in last video I told you to bring my next video of Krishna Avatar. So I am back with Krishna Avatar video, and now in Krishna Avatar let's start the story of Lord Krishna. The story of Lord Krishna is like that he was born in Mathura, and he was taken by his father Vasudev to the Gokul, and he was raised there as a cowherd. He was grown up there, and after certain period he went to Mathura once again to kill Kans, and after killing Kans he stayed there only, but Jarasandh attacked Mathura, so they shifted to Dwarka, and they built the kingdom there of Dwarka, and then in Dwarka they were like they stayed there for 36 years. And after the Mahabharat war, Lord Krishna gained a curse. From Gandhari, but Gandhari's misunderstanding was that she gave curse to the Lord Krishna, that you have vanished my whole you have vanished my whole kul, or my whole clan basically. But Lord Krishna didn't do that. Lord Krishna was only just supporting Dharma, but Gandhari's misunderstanding was that. So Gandhari gave curse to Lord Krishna, that like you have vanished my Kuru clan, you will see the destruction of your own Yadu clan with your own eyes. So as usual, Lord Krishna went Dwarka, and after that they were like, and after that the people of Dwarka started doing bad things, such as drinking alcohol and doing all those things and bad things. So Lord Krishna remembered Gandhari's curse. So one day Rishi Durvasa, Rishi Narad, and one more Rishi came, and they the Yuvraj of Yaduvansh tried to do prank, and they did prank with Lord Krishna's son Samb. Now, and the prank was like that they transformed Samb into a woman who is pregnant. So they told the rishis that by your magical power you tell that who is going to take birth from this pregnant woman's womb. Rishis said, we will check, and when they checked they found that it was not a pregnant woman, but it was Samb. So the rishis gave curse that like you have made fun of us, so your whole clan will be destroyed. And when Lord Krishna got this news, so he said that Gandhari's curse has been started working, and after that all the Yaduvansh was destroyed, by each other only. The people of Yaduvansh started fighting with each other, and the Yaduvansh was destroyed. Nothing was left in Dwarka. Saying to this, Krishna and Balram shifted to the forest. And after reaching forest, Balram went into the samadhi, and Lord Krishna was went to inform the news to Vasudeva. But when he came back, he found that Balram has went to the samadhi. So after some time, a white colored snake with thousands of coils, with thousands of heads basically, is coming out from the mouth of the Balram, and he was no one but Sesh, the Sheshnag or the Anantnag. So Anantnag came out of Balram's mouth, and he joined his hands and prayed and greeted Lord Krishna, but and then he went to the near one, the ocean, and from that ocean he directly went to the Vaikunt. And after some time, Lord Krishna was sitting in the yoga avastha in under a tree, and a deer hunter named Jara came, and he thought that the Lord Krishna's foot was the deer's head. So he thought that this is deer, and he shot an arrow on the Lord Krishna's foot. And then when the Jara realized when this was Lord Krishna, he was very sad. He was very sad. But Lord Krishna said that you were Bali in your last birth. Bali was the brother of Sugriv. I told you in Ram Avatar, Lord Ram helped Sugriv to gain his kingdom back, and Bali was the brother of Sugriv, and Bali was the brother of Sugriv, and as usually Bali. So Bali was like that he said to Sugriv that he took his wife and sent the ministers and all the courtsmen which were supporting Sugriv out of the kingdom and sent them to Rishyamukh Parvat, and they were hiding inside the Rishyamukh Parvat inside a cave. And when Lord Hanuman found the Lord Ram helped Sugriv to gain back his kingdom, and he killed Bali also in that story. So Lord Krishna said to Jara that you were Bali in your last birth, and I was Ram in my last birth. So I killed you by cheating, and now you killed me by cheating. And Lord Krishna said that things just happen in loop. And then he also left this world. So listening to this news, of course, all the Pandavas were also sad, and they were also sad. Arjun was very sad, Vasudeva was sad, everyone was sad, because Lord Krishna was close to everyone's heart, and that so then the So then Dwarka, Vasudev took all the girls of Dwarka took out of the Dwarka, and then the Dwarka submerged, and the Dwapar Yuga was ended. So in Dwapar Yuga, this many things happened with Lord Krishna. Many more things happened in Dwapar Yuga, but the main story of Lord Krishna I told you today. So this was all the story of Lord Krishna, and I will meet you in my next video of Buddha Avatar, the most interesting video of Buddha Avatar. And one important note for you: after Buddha Avatar comes Kalki Avatar. So I have already posted a video of Kalki Avatar earlier, and so I will post. So after the Buddha Avatar video, I will post. So after posting my Buddha Avatar video on my playlist, I will post Kalki Avatar playlist, which I have made earlier. I will post it on my playlist also. Okay. So I will not make Kalki Avatar's new video. The video which I have made earlier of Kalki Avatar, I will post it in my playlist. So this was all, and I will meet you in my next video of Buddha Avatar. And so all, अच्छा लगा काम तो भूला मत नाम कुझमाइथो, subscribe my channel, like and share this video with your relatives, friends, and many more. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.